So the question is, what if I haven't ridden a motorbike before doing my CBT? Well, as you probably know already, the CBT was never designed just to train people who can ride. The CBT is compulsory, it's basic and it's training. So it's actually designed for novice riders and complete beginners with no prior riding experience. One of the problems though with that is if you can't ride a push bike, you'll find it really difficult to learn to ride a motorbike. And in my opinion, you'll probably be wasting your money by turning up to a CBT without having any push bike skills. So that would be the first thing that I'd say that you need to do. The other thing that I would suggest is that you discover what is going to happen on the day. So by asking a reputable training school or going down for a visit and having a conversation, or even just doing that on the phone, then you need to learn about what is going to happen on the day at the training school that you choose to do your CBT. Let's just break it down very quickly for you. So you're going to have to do an introduction on the bike. So that means that you need to learn how all the controls work, where they are and what they do. And then once you've understood that, you'll then go around the car park learning all the basics of building up confidence and skills before you go on the road. If you don't make it up to standard by the end of that car park session, then you won't be going on the road. The thing that I would suggest is that you do some home study and learn a little bit about the bike and the controls and what to do on it before you attend. Don't think the instructor's going to turn up on the day and just wave his magic wand and you're just going to get to grips with everything that you need to do in the day, because that just won't happen. So a little bit of home study first, a little bit of research, and then you'll be in a better position to get the CBT certificate under your belt in the day that you turn up. Also, you could learn the highway code and learn how to use the road. The best thing to do those things is to either sit on the back of a bike with somebody who's riding safely, have a look at how they operate the bike, how the bike feels. So even if you're a car driver, understanding the highway code from the perspective of being on two wheels would be an advantage. And also, you could get some expert advice on how to prepare for the CBT if you're starting from scratch. So my advice is to get an online platform like Motorcycle Training app from the App Store, or go to the website and have a look at Motorcycle Riders Hub, where they give you a lot of information about how to ride on the road, especially from that CBT and the first time on the road perspective. Use that to help you to understand how to use all the controls on the bike, how to ride, and also how to conduct yourself out on the road. And that'll give you a really, really good platform in which to use so that you stand more chance of success on your first attempt.